circumcircle of triangle ABC. Circumcircle means which touches the vertices with angle A at 60, means A is 60, okay, has its center at O. This is the center of O. See here in exam this figure would be given to you, not this one. This is what we have solved it, okay. So O, radius equals to 2, okay, radius is 2. Now this radius means OB will be 2, OC will be 2 and OA will be 2, right. Circle centered at O1. Now there is another circle O1, okay, touches the circumcircle and also OB and OC. See this is a circumcircle now. This O1 circle touches this circle at M and also it touches OB and OC, okay. The radius of the smaller circle is, means we want this smaller circle O1N, okay. So these both the figures are same. I thought they are different, so same figures are there, okay. So OB equals to OC equals to OA equals to 2, right, given. Therefore now next is what, angle BOC equals to 2 into angle BAC. Why? Because in angles we had studied, angle subscribed by a chord at the center is twice the angle subscribed by it on the circle, right. So BOC is twice of BAC, okay. So therefore angle BOO1 equals to 60 degrees. Why? Because BOC is 120. Why 120? Because BAC is 60, right. BAC is 60, BOC is double of BAC, so 120, and half of 120 is again 60. So BOO1 is 60 degrees, okay. Now next is, now let O1M equals to O1N equals to R. This is what we have to find, right. O1N is required. So that is radius of the smaller circle. Now OO1 equals to OM minus O1M, means what, OO1 equals to OM minus O1M, right. Now OM, do you know? Yes, 2. So 2 minus O1M, we have just now written R, so 2 minus R. So OO1 you know now, that is 2 minus R. Pay minute attention to this section. This is very important. See here, OO1 you have got it as 2 minus R, right? 2 minus R. Now in triangle OO1N, see this smaller triangle OO1N, this angle N is 90. Why? Because O1N is at this radius and OB is a tangent. So tangent and radius are at right angles. So N equals to 90. Now in triangle OO1N, this angle NOO1 is 60. We have proved it earlier. That is BOO1. Both are same. So NOO1 is 60. So now this triangle ONO1 is what? 60, 90, 30. Means it's a right angle triangle. So you can apply the formula for sine cos tan, right? So sine 60 equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is O1N, right, upon hypotenuse, that is OO1, right. In this triangle ONO1, pay neat attention to this OO1, right. But sine 60 you know, that is root 3 by 2 equals to O1N is what? R. We have just assumed it over here, and OO1 is 2 minus R. We have found out. Now solve this, you will get R. Cross them. Therefore 2 root 3 minus root 3R equals to 2R. So 2 plus root 3 into R, take root 3 on the other side, it becomes 2 plus root 3 into R equals to 2 root 3. Therefore R equals to 2 root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. Rationalize the denominator. 2 root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 on both sides. So solve this, you get 4 root 3 minus 2 into 3 upon this denominator becomes a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 4 minus 3, 1. So 4 root 3 minus 6, this is the required answer. If the value of root 3 is given and the options given to you are in plain figures rather than root 3 these thirds, then you will have to solve this 1.73 also, okay. Otherwise keep it as it is. So that's the required answer. Next,